I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make pie and grow, full guide. Start by setting up a stable grow area with consistent light and ventilation. Choose a well-draining soil mix and confirm pH is suitable for the pie variety you plan to grow. Sterilize tools and containers to prevent disease. Label your rows and set a watering schedule that avoids waterlogging while keeping roots moist. Monitor daily for pests and adjust care as plants develop. Transplant or direct sow depending on space and timing. Choose healthy seedlings with strong roots if transplanting. Plant at a depth matching seed packet instructions and keep consistent row spacing to allow airflow and fruit growth. Water gently after planting and add a light mulch to conserve water and limit weeds. Feed with balanced nutrients at key growth stages and rotate crops to reduce disease buildup in the soil for healthier pie yields. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and get more growing tips. Quick recommendation. These leak-proof containers make meal prep easy and keep your pie samples safe when you taste or transport them, and they stack neatly in a busy grow kitchen. Check the description for the link and other deals I mentioned, and grab a set if you want a tidy setup. Now let's get back to the video. Keep plants healthy by scouting weekly for pests and signs of disease and intervene quickly with gentle treatments. Support heavy branches to prevent breakage and maintain even moisture to avoid split fruit. Track maturity indicators like color and firmness and perform a taste test from a sample fruit before full harvest. After picking, cure if the variety benefits from it. Store harvested pie fruits in cool, ventilated conditions until you are ready to prepare your recipe.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.